Hi fellow travelers, and it's me, your travel angel. Now in this video, we're gonna go to Mission Inn Hotel and Spa, which is located in Riverside, California. So my husband and I, we stayed there for a couple of nights and we also got a massage. And a month before that, we actually went to Cancun, Mexico to celebrate our anniversary early. But then we thought, we always do something fun on the day of our wedding anniversary. And we didn't want to go far. That's why we ended up going to Mission Inn Hotel. So allow me to share our experience. And this, I would say, is going to be your Mission Inn Hotel and Spa travel guide. So stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to Angel's Video Diary. So check-in time at the Mission Inn Hotel and Spa is at 4 p.m. But then we decided to do a side trip to the first McDonald's site. So it's where the first ever McDonald's store was established. Although they're saying that this location is the unofficial McDonald's museum because, well, the first official McDonald's store and its official museum is located in Illinois. It was actually the third McDonald's store that Ray Kroc built, but that's being considered as the official store and museum of McDonald's. So yeah, but if you've seen the movie The Founder, then you'll have an idea of what I'm talking about. Yeah, it's quite an interesting movie, so you guys should check it out as well. Yeah, so feel free to roam around, check out the collections they have inside, and also check out the pictures and read some history about McDonald's. And so we took a lot of pictures. After that, we headed straight to Mission Inn Hotel. There's gonna be a parking lot across the hotel, so that's where you can park your vehicle. So we got a 2-night stay for a total of $900 plus $300 spa credit and also $30 per day for breakfast. Check-in was quick and easy. They also have an elevator, although it's small, but then it will do if you have, big luggages and heavy bags to carry. Once your luggages and your bags are in the room, you can just use the stairs if you want to go up to your room, or maybe if you want to go down to eat and explore the hotel or maybe the surrounding area. All right, so now let's go inside the room.
Ooh, we have the lights. Come in.
So we had dinner reservations at Bella Trattoria, which is just a couple of minutes from the hotel. It's literally just outside the hotel. And then when we got there, we were seated right away, and I wasn't sure what I was getting, but I did had steak and seafood a couple of nights before, so I just ordered chicken. And I was actually a little hesitant to order this because I don't know what to expect. But you know, I'm glad I ordered it because it was so good. The chicken wasn't dry or lacking any taste. It was soft and juicy and tasty. You know, it was just perfect. Mission Inn Hotel and Spa doesn't even feel like you're in California. So if you live in California and you're celebrating something special, maybe a wedding anniversary, or maybe your birthday, whatever it is, and then you want to do something special, but then you don't want to go far. But at the same time, you also want to feel like you're far away from home. So Mission Inn Hotel and Spa is the best destination for you. And also the best time to visit Mission Inn Hotel, whether you're staying here or maybe you're just doing a day trip. So the best time to visit is during the Festival of Lights, which usually happens on the second or third week of November until the first week of January. So what they do is they decorate the entire hotel with Christmas decor and also Christmas lights. You'll see Christmas trees everywhere, poinsettias, and so much more. And it looks so festive. And you would really feel the spirit of Christmas around here. Now, if you guys are new here and you haven't subscribed, make sure to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I would post new content. So the original plan was to just get a massage. But then I remember my aunt sending me a video about this hotel, which has a spa, a massage, a wellness center as well. So that's why we ended up going to Mission Inn Hotel and Spa. So yeah, there's a spa inside the Mission Inn Hotel. And like I said, we got a $300 spa credit, and which basically covered our massage. And by the way, make sure to book an appointment for the massage because when I called them, they only had the 9 a.m. couples massage available. So they were fully booked. So I highly recommend that you call them ahead of time and book an appointment. And so we also had breakfast before our massage. We want to make the most out of the $30 credit that we had per day for breakfast. So the massage took 1 hour. So after the massage, we went back to our room and got ready for lunch. So we made reservations to this Mexican restaurant, which is called Las Campanas Mexican Cuisine and Tequila Bar, which is actually located just outside the hotel. It's located on the right side of the hotel entrance. So we got some tacos, and to be honest, the order took a little longer than expected. It was quite long and I was so hungry, so we had to get a second round of their free chips and salsa. So by the time we got our order, I kind of did not enjoy my tacos anymore. You know, it wasn't bad. The food wasn't bad. I guess I was just full from the chips and salsa that we had, but you know, that's just my experience. And so after that, after lunch, we walked outside the hotel to check out the surrounding areas, and then we stopped by Casey's Cupcakes. We got a couple of cupcakes and we brought it to our room and for us to enjoy. So we definitely loved it. So for dinner, we went to Duane's Prime Steak, which is located inside the hotel. Well, I ordered lobster bisque, and I also had scallops, which was delicious. And Edward got lamb chops, which he enjoyed very much. And for dessert, which was creme brulee, so we definitely had a great time. We enjoyed our dinner over at Duane's Prime Steak. And on our last day, which was checkout day, we had breakfast. So Edward got the Mission Inn breakfast, which has hash brown, eggs, bacon, and a side of toast. and he also ordered a cup of coffee. And then for me, I ordered Belgian waffle with strawberry, and I also got a hot chocolate. And everything was really good. We definitely enjoyed our breakfast. So after breakfast, we explored the hotel. So we just want to see the architecture and then, just take in all the stunning views of the hotel. Mission Inn Hotel looks amazing, and this was really worth the trip.
Yeah? Hello.
Hello.
Well, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I would post new content. Show some love by hitting the like and share button. And you can also stay current on my travels. Follow me on social media. My Facebook and Instagram is at Angel's Video Diary, and my TikTok is at I am Angel Alvaro. All right, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.